Right, so once again I was bidding on a different lot. This was fairly local. Well, it was on my delivery route anyway. I could have picked it up at some time, but I didn't win the lot I was bidding on, unfortunately. So first of all, before I forget, I found this in the parcel from Ben the other day. I found it today, wrapped up. I missed it totally. So this is a Craftsman. I thank you very much for that, Ben. You know, that will go in the important drawer. I'll give it a clean. That'll go in the important drawer. Thank you, Ben. Right, over to these. So these were actually en route. I could have picked them up, but I didn't, and they were only extras. I was going to pick up the other item. So what I've got is, in this one here, just, I think it's just 10 assorted spanners. Alright, and they were 99p. So for 99p, I thought I'll have them. Couldn't see what they were in the photos, but I thought I'm going to win the other one. Convinced I was going to win the other lot, and I didn't. And so I won these. Let's get them out of the way. What we got? We got a Elora, a Starwell, a chopped off wagon, an Elora. Doing good so far, aren't I? Another Elora, number 30. Another Elora. Kamasar. A Gador. It's not one of the jacks, no. Another Elora. Oh, that's a good bargain, isn't it? Another Starwell. An Elora 300. And another wagon. Never heard of them wagons, but they're West German. So I got those. What is it? 10 pence a spanner, eh? Now these ones, made in India. I don't know if you're aware, but a lot of Gadors were made in India, as were Draper. So you never know what you're going to get. Draper. These were advertised as made in India spanners, not Drapers. Everest, which, as I've said before, a standard Ferrari kit, a certain number of them. Gador, made in India, look at that, see? Draper. Gador, number 12. Just sold 5 Gadors, smaller than that, for 18 quid, so Gador, number 12. That's one, it's replaced it, and 2, I know roughly what they're worth. That one's not got anything on, just made in India. And so that's my only non-named spanner, and that's a Draper. So another 10 pence each. Absolute bargain. I paid the person postage of, I think it was £3.50, can't remember. So it doubles them up to about 2 quid a packet, doesn't it? But, and what was this one? I can't remember what this one was. Another Draper. No name. Diamond. Oh, that Diamond brand. Wee. I haven't had a piss. Yeah. Taiwan. No name. Not done so good on this bundle, but Jesus, eh? That's cost me what? It cost me £6. I think it was £6.47 for the entire lot with the postage. So I'm a happy bunny. And again, this has been a week of not much stuff being delivered. I'm recording this on Saturday night, hoping it's going to stop raining, because it's absolutely pouring it down here. And if it carries on like this, they will cancel the car boot, because it will just be mud and slush. So don't want that happening, do we? So, that is all that has arrived. And I haven't really done anything today in here. I'll tell you what I forgot to tell you the other day. The Stanley that come, 12-inch Stanley, badly wrapped, £2.16 and £1.99 postage. So, £4 for that. $5. That's it, I'm sorry. Nothing else has arrived. I haven't done any restorations because it's only Saturday and I spent the day watching films and stuff with the kids and, you know, got a life. That's about it. Don't know what else I can tell you. Except the Cyclops restoration is out Sunday afternoon, which is tomorrow or today, whenever you see this. Right. Bye.